How to create a Cash App account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Cash App account. You can head into your Google Play Store, App Store, or your browser as well. So just head into your browser. After heading into your browser, just tap the very Cash App application or website you see right here. You can create this from your website as well as from this. You can install this application from the Google Play Store. So to log in, just tap on the login option. Now while logging in, you should add some credential of yours like your phone number, your account debit or credit card, and many things else what you want to on the Cash App. So just follow up all the credentials if it is available in your region. But if it is not available in your region, and if you want to use it, then you should use a VPN. For example, it is not available in my region and I cannot use it. So if it is available in your region, just install it from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then it will show you the name of, write your first name, last name, and just add something on there which it says. Just follow up all the information that the Cash App says, and you can add your credentials and make your Cash App account. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.